Welcome to Tech Blueprint, a window that lets you know the latest technology news in the world. In this ever-changing era, the advancement of science and technology has become an important force in promoting social development. In the field of science and technology, the chip industry plays an indispensable role. In recent years, with the increasing global demand for chips, countries have increased their investment in the chip industry, striving to occupy a leading position in this field. However, competition in the chip industry is not easy and requires strong technical, financial and talent support. In this context, the cooperation between STMicroelectronics and Chinese companies has undoubtedly brought new opportunities to China's chip industry. The EU suddenly reached an agreement with China, and STMicroelectronics investment in China may exceed the trillion mark. STMicroelectronics produces microcontrollers in China, which is beyond the expectations of the United States. In November this year, STMicroelectronics signed a major cooperation agreement with Chinese companies to produce microcontrollers in China. This news has sparked heated discussions in the global semiconductor industry, and many industry insiders said that this decision was beyond the expectations of the United States. STMicroelectronics is a leading global semiconductor manufacturer, whose products are widely used in automotive, industrial, consumer electronics, and other fields. By producing microcontrollers locally in China, STMicroelectronics can not only reduce production costs, but also better meet the needs of the Chinese market. In addition, STMicroelectronics investment in China can also promote the development of China's semiconductor industry and promote China's competitiveness in the global semiconductor industry. For Chinese companies, this is also a rare development opportunity, which will help enhance China's voice in the global semiconductor industry. STMicroelectronics investment promotes the improvement of China's chip technology. For the Chinese market, STMicroelectronics investment will have a positive impact on the development of China's semiconductor industry. With the increasing global demand for semiconductors, the Chinese market has gradually become an important market for the global semiconductor industry. STMicroelectronics investment in China can not only meet the Chinese market's demand for semiconductor products, but also help Chinese companies improve product quality and technical level, and promote China's competitiveness in the global semiconductor industry. At the same time, STMicroelectronics investment will further promote the development of China's semiconductor industry and promote China's position in the global semiconductor industry. This cooperation is not only in line with the development strategies of both sides, but also will bring huge business opportunities and benefits to both sides. European chip companies are seeking cooperation with China. In addition to STMicroelectronics, other European chip companies have also begun to pay attention to the Chinese market and cooperate with Chinese companies. For example, companies such as NXP and Infineon have expressed their desire to strengthen cooperation with China and jointly develop new products and new technologies. These companies realize that the Chinese market is not only a huge consumer market, but also an important source of technological innovation. In cooperation with Chinese companies, these European chip companies can better understand the needs and trends of the Chinese market, quickly adjust product and technology strategies, and meet market demand. US sanctions have failed to prevent European chip companies from cooperating with China. Despite the pressure from the United States, European chip companies are still actively cooperating with China. Faced with the huge potential of the Chinese semiconductor market, the United States has tried to suppress China's semiconductor industry through various means. The United States has restricted the development of Chinese companies in the semiconductor field through trade restrictions, technical restrictions, and other measures. However, these measures have not prevented the cooperation between Chinese and European chip companies, but have further promoted the cooperation between these companies and China. For example, The German government once tried to prevent China from penetrating the European market by restricting Chinese companies from investing in Germany. However, this move did not work as expected, but deepened the contradictions between China and Germany. SMIC cooperates with STMicroelectronics to promote the development of Chinese chip technology. The cooperation between SMIC and STMicroelectronics will bring new development opportunities for China's chip technology. SMIC is one of the largest semiconductor manufacturers in China, with advanced chip manufacturing technology and equipment. STMicroelectronics is one of the world's leading semiconductor design and manufacturing companies, with rich chip design experience and technology accumulation. The cooperation between the two will enable SMIC to further enhance its chip manufacturing capabilities with the help of STMicroelectronics' advanced chip design technology. At the same time, it also provides STMicroelectronics with the opportunity to enter the Chinese market and further expand its market share. This partnership can not only promote the development of China's chip industry, but also promote the progress of the global semiconductor industry. The importance of the Chinese chip market is difficult for European companies to ignore. In the global semiconductor market, China has become an important presence that cannot be ignored. According to statistics, China's demand for semiconductor products accounts for more than 30% of the world, and it is still growing. With the rapid development of emerging technologies such as 5G, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things, the demand for semiconductor products will be even more vigorous. In this context, China's semiconductor market is a huge business opportunity and an important strategic market for global semiconductor companies. European companies have also deeply realized this. Therefore, more and more European companies have begun to pay attention to the Chinese market and cooperate with Chinese companies. China-EU cooperation will usher in new opportunities, and the chip industry may develop rapidly. The cooperation between China and Europe will usher in new opportunities. In the future, China may become the main supplier of the global semiconductor industry, thereby affecting the price and structure of the global chip market. At the same time, through cooperation with international companies, China may form a strong intellectual property barrier, enhance its independent innovation capabilities, and enhance its voice in the global semiconductor industry. The cooperation between China and Europe will also bring new development opportunities. In the future, as the cooperation between China and Europe continues to deepen, the two sides will jointly explore new markets and fields, promote the development of new industries, and bring new business opportunities and benefits. Although the United States has exerted tremendous pressure on China's semiconductor industry, European chip companies have not chosen to give up cooperation with China. On the contrary, they are more actively seeking cooperation opportunities with China. This is not only because of the huge potential of the Chinese market, but also because European chip companies have seen great opportunities for cooperation with China. I hope that in the future, we can see greater results in the cooperation between China and Europe in the field of chips and make greater contributions to the development of the global semiconductor industry.